Good speak. Good weech. Kermie, speak. Speak. Good boy. Marble, you don't even know why you're doing it, do you? Man, call me ramen lady. You can get snatched up.
It's you. It's you.
Who are you barking at?
It's you. It's you. Wait a minute. It's you. It's you. I shouldn't make up. It's you. It's just you.
I don't know if you'll let us put this on your head. I don't think we're gonna try this. Bunny, I'll give you a little bit of this if you make. Would you like a bite of pill pocket? Because that's all that Marble likes. You guys want to give us one good Halloween howl? Ready? And speak. Okay.
Yeah, I think it's Peach. Sorry guys, everything's okay. Daddy got it under control.
It's almost Eric Jackson. I can't wait. All right.
You want to hear a chain reaction?
Yeah, go ahead. You know, it's raining out and they can't go outside and get their sillies out. Why are you doing this?
Kermit.
No, why, Daddy?
Hey, Kermit. Kermit.
It's Julie. Marble, come on, bud. Marble, I need you. Don't bark at me. Oh my god. Marble, sit. Okay. Man,
Okay, Marble.
say. Alright. Wow, you've already upset her. Okay. Man.